Hey everyone, back again with another video. This one mainly serves to help me for later use in case I should have to do this again. But an Audi A5, to take the brake booster off, it's actually way easier than I had previously thought and required less work than I thought. Obviously you've got this plate that sits across here in front of this. There's a lot of work in order to get to this point, but I've already done this, so like I said, this is more to help me in case I have to do this again later. I don't forget because I did this time and gave myself a lot of extra work. You have to remove the master cylinder from the brake booster itself. There's two 24 millimeter nuts right here that hold the master cylinder body to the booster, and you also have to remove the reservoir off the top of the master cylinder in order to access this 24 millimeter. And then these are 10 millimeter bolts that hold the brake booster to the firewall. You can only use a ratchet wrench or a box end wrench in order to get these because they're reverse triple spline bolts. But that's what holds this to the firewall. And then on the inside, in order to remove the pedal, it operates just the same as any Volkswagen style. It has a ball on the inside here that plugs into the back of this, but I've found that you can just forcefully pull back on this and remove that rod from the back of the pedal. So to help me, and hopefully if it helps you, drop a like and let me know. That's how to remove this brake booster from this 2012 Audi A5. I hope it helps you. Thanks.